Who doesn't dream of being a millionaire? Short of winning the lottery, the odds of which are 1,000,000 to 1, the only other way to reach your goal is through hard work and smart investing. Ready to unlock your millionaire potential? Here's how you can make that first million. First, think big, dream big. As Charlie Munger said, the first $100,000 are the hardest, but after that, it gets easier. Step 1 is to examine your life choices, what you expect out of life and your available funds. There are 8 laws of wealth which you must follow. First, pay yourself first. A certain percentage of your earnings must always be kept in your savings. Second, live below your means. Never allow your expenditures to exceed your earnings. Third, make profitable investments. It is not enough to save. Make your money work for you. Create multiple streams of income. This can be accomplished initially by putting savings into guaranteed investment certificates offered by all banks or by purchasing shares in companies that pay monthly dividends. Fourth, guard your businesses. Protect your investments from losses. Sow your seeds only on fertile soil and do not make foolish investments. Fifth, invest in yourself. Read books, expand your knowledge on relevant topics, strive to become the best in your field. Sixth, desire for wealth. Desire is the first step toward riches. Feel it in your heart, picture it in your mind. The universe will conspire to turn your imagination into a reality. Seventh, believe. Trust in your talents, have faith in your abilities and believe in your dreams. Eighth, set goals. Know and acknowledge with certainty what you want to achieve and where you want to be at a particular point in the future. Set a bold, clear goal. Next, solve a problem. The bigger the problem, the bigger the payday. Identify a need and fill it, then take action. Execution is key. Even the best ideas fail without action. Now let's talk about risks. Smart risks lead to big rewards, but learn from failures. Remember, risk is always related to return. The higher the risk, the greater the chance that you will not see a return. They're stepping stones to success. Build a network. Try to surround yourself with successful people. Join business groups, JCs, Kinsmen, etc. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Collaboration can amplify your efforts, and don't forget multiple income streams. Diversify to boost your earnings, invest wisely. Stocks, real estate, or your own business. Keep learning. Knowledge is power and profit. Stay motivated. Persistence beats perfection. Every day move closer to your goal. Remember, the journey to 1,000,000 starts with a single step. As Charlie Munger said, the first 100,000 is the toughest. It's like pushing a snowball uphill. But once you get it to the top of the hill, it starts to roll down the other side of the hill, getting bigger and bigger, all on its own. And Charlie Munger must have known what he was talking about. After all, he was Warren Buffett's business partner. Now, go out there and get started. Your million is waiting. Click like and subscribe below for more helpful hints like this.